Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the TikTok ads custom reports. Custom reports are going to be reports which you can create on the TikTok ads account based on your campaign's performance. Like we spoke about it earlier as well, once you start running campaigns on TikTok ads, there will be a lot of data which you will get to see in terms of clicks, impressions, CTR, conversion data, which we get in the campaigns. It becomes crucial for us to analyze this data so that we understand what's going wrong, what's going right, what needs to be fixed. That you can only do by data analysis. And that you can do by having certain reports which you can run and download them and then do that analysis. This is where custom reports can really help. This feature will really help to download data in certain formats, and then you can do data analysis on it to understand what should be your next steps. So let's have a look at this. Once you're on the platform and we go into analytics, in analytics, the first part is going to be custom reports. So this is where you can start building your custom reports. So there are two options. One is you can create a report from scratch, or you can use a template report created by TikTok. So let's have a look at this. So here are some of the template reports created by TikTok. Okay, so for example, a reach specific template report where you can select the dimensions. Specifically, you want to see data for ad groups or ads. You can select that, and then it will create that template report for us. So this is where the data will start showing up for us for a reach campaign. And now here you have the option to customize it. You want to see more information, you can select that from these sections. Okay. If you want to remove certain sections, you can do that as well. So a lot of customizations will become possible out here. Other than that, you can also schedule the running of the report. Okay, so if you want to run this report on a regular basis, okay, so that analysis can be done. So you can do that on a daily, weekly, or a monthly basis. And then you can also schedule the report to be sent to certain team members or client. So you can give the email address of the team member here, and then you can schedule the reports as well. You also have an option to export the report and then use it for your own purpose for analyzing yourself. So as you can see, the report is really useful to customize data as per our requirement, and then we can analyze it. The other option is creating the report, which is like starting from scratch. So this is where you can go ahead and start adding all the information which you want. Let's say you want to see the campaigns, campaign ID. So you can add all the columns, and then you can build out the full report, which you can then analyze. I hope this makes sense. You understand custom reports feature, how this can be useful in analyzing how our campaigns are performing in the account, and then taking the necessary steps.